What up, guys? The Urus I was showing you for is finally complete. So when the car came into our showroom, the car had swirls all over the paint. The rims were all bent, cracked, chewed up. A lot of the paint was chipping as well, was coming apart. The muffler tips were in chrome, so we had to do something, all those little things. I'm gonna start with the paint. I told them, listen, you know, this is a beautiful color, but the paint looks so dull and there's too much damage in the paint. The first step is a paint correction, obviously. And secondly, in order to protect that finish, you need to put ceramic over the paint. Because you could put paint protection, but it doesn't last. It lasts temporary. Maybe you do one bad wash, bad weather, and then it'll just go back to that dull finish. We removed the wheels, we repaired them, we refinished them, and we re-powder coated them in a gloss black finish. So now his wheel is gloss black lip and sand black center. So it pops and it looks amazing with the lovely green paint that's on this vehicle. Also on the vehicle, where it has the Rice logo, which is the high school that went to, it was all chipped up, damaged, so we refinished it, and it goes super well with the yellow calipers. In the back, we did the yellow Lamborghini, and it blends well with the paint and also goes with the calipers. The muffler tips were also in a chrome finish. We removed them and we powder coated them in a high gloss black finish. And lastly, to conclude, the window tints on this car were all bubbled up, had air bubbles, it had dirt spots. We removed all the windows. We re-tinted the full SUV with ceramic tint. Ceramic is the best quality tint you can get. Heat resistant, keeps the heat out the vehicle. It's double ply, so it doesn't scratch as easy, and it won't fade like normal tint. And that concludes what we did to this Urus. So now after seeing the work, Kemba's manager was so excited. He pulled up in his AMG GT. I'm gonna pull it in, and I'm gonna show you guys what's gonna happen next with that.